The country is under control of an authoritarian regime. It all started 3 months ago, on March 2nd, 1983, when a military coup under the orders of General Dilgianis overthrew the government, trampling on any concept of freedom. The press was silenced, independent voices disappeared, and those who dared to resist were either imprisoned or disappeared. With these events, a resistance group was created, but it was imprisoned. You have paid a visit to the prison, and they have revealed to you the location of this warehouse where you are now, where they had collected valuable information about the regime. However, to ensure that this information does not fall into the wrong hands, they locked it with carefully designed mechanisms. You are the new generation of the resistance. Each of you has taken on a crucial role in this mission. In front of you, you will find a folder containing important information. This information will help you solve a puzzle and open your own box. Only if you prove that you are indeed a member of the resistance will you be able to proceed. Your time is limited. The regime may have detected us. You must act quickly. The next 45 minutes are critical.